That's a good Trixie.
She is a pretty good dog. You know?
Should we call him Marnie over there, whatever her name is. Mari.
Mary.
Pastorini and Bosby. Marilyn Felix.
Mm-hmm.
You have to start thinking and making a list of everyone to officially invite.
George, come here. Come on. Step up, Jersey.
Go get her. Can't help but laugh.
George looks like he thinks he's gonna get a ride on the dog.
Yeah.
Like he's gonna like walk, get like carried around on his back.
George is so cute, I can't handle it.
He likes
I don't know why. Are you laughing? Did you say come here to the dog?
Yeah. What's a head scratch from the dog?
Well, no, he wants a kiss. Like that means like good when he puts his head down. You know, like let's be friends. Give me a ride.
Can you believe what's happening to you right now?
Oh yeah, go get him, George. Go get
Are you like busting? You feel like crying?
No. I already
When you go up there on that stage, there's to be absolutely no crying whatsoever. And if you do cry, I'm going to go up there myself and smack the both of you.
I'm glad I got this on
I'm
tape.
telling you that right now. You go up there, you make a strong speech, firm, clear, and no fucking tears. When you get off the stage, you can cry like a fucking baby. That's it.
I can't.
You can.
Neither can Jenna.
No, I can't. I'm not
You
good
can.
with it.
What you do is you
Thank
have to
you
practice
for-
your speech.
Mom, that doesn't work. Remember from my bat mitzvah?
Yeah, well, don't speak about Danny. And you'll be
Well,
all
she
right.
spoke about me and she cried
Yeah.
at the film festival.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. You can't cry.
Well,
It's interesting. The bird agrees in the back.
Who said you could say anything?
Oh, you to give you the kisses so she can say
look,
oh.
he's jealous.
He's jealous.
He's
running
ran
over.
over. Ask him for a kiss.
Give me a kiss, George.